Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Say morning, fam.
Morning.
Tyler, say morning to the face. Where are we going? To shopping. Yeah, we're gonna do a little bit of shopping this morning. It's the weekend and we're out in the streets. The weather is so good. I'm sure babe will have to roll this up at some point.
We are not.
Until the rain catches.
Until the rain catches. What you say, Ty?
We are not on vacation.
We are on vacation.
On vacation.
Right. There's a few things on my hospital list. And for baby photo shoot coming up in about 2.5 weeks to 3 weeks that I need to get for the rest, for the fam, for babe and Ty. So I need to go on a mission to get it this weekend, because next weekend we'll be away a little bit, so I won't get to do any shopping. So I don't like to wait last minute to get things, just to see if I need to fix things or whatever the case may be. So yeah, we're out and about today in this beautiful day.
Mama,
Yes, baby?
you see that we have to stop when there is still the red?
Yes, we have to stop when there's the red and we go when it's a green, right? Yes, baby?
We didn't do white when we are wood when there is still the red when we walking in the
Yeah, because sometimes mama walk when it's red because there's nothing coming, so it's okay to go, but you don't do that. Only mama do that, okay? He's calling me out. This boy, he's calling mama out. Oh Lord. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. You guys have some unboxing to see throughout today's video, because I pick up package before. Hold on, Tyler, mama talking. I soon talk to you. I pick up a package before I left home, and I'm sure there might be package when I get back. So yeah, and there was some package that came during the week that will be inserted in this video, so you guys will see that. So have a good day, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay away from negativity, negative people. Anyway, you guys, keep a smile on your face, stay blessed, stay humble, love you guys, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today's vlog. We almost finished shopping. We got a lot of things. Didn't find what I want for Tyler's yet, but find everything that I wanted for babe. I'll show you guys the haul when I get home. But now we're hungry and we're heading to McDonald's, and I'm at the mall with the naked statue. This statue, I'm sure you guys have seen it in previous vlogs where I talk about a naked man in the mall. So I think we're heading to McDonald's or one of these fast food around here, but I'm almost sure McDonald's is gonna do it. So let's go eat. Lunchtime with the D's. Tyler is having his usual. I change up today. I'm having a wrap. Tyler is having orange juice. I'm having coca. And baby's still waiting on his to come. You look hungry, Pumpkin. You hungry? Tyler is also gonna have ice cream.
It's coming soon.
Yeah. Go, go. Yay! Good job, Pumpkin.
Hey Tyler! Tyler! Tyler!
You guys, it's such a beautiful day out. Tyler is taking a break. He's in the, what do you call this? Like a merry-go-round. So he's just chilling on his ride and we're just relaxing a bit in the mall. Shopping break. Ty! Ah! Ty, give him a hug, Ty! Give him a hug! Oh! Okay, come now. Look, you wanna go to the other one? Come now. Oh, you can go to the other man. See one more man there? Huh? Ty! You guys, another little package just came in the mail. So I'm gonna open it right now to see what it is. I have no idea what this is. So let's see, what's this one? This looks like some outfit. Oh, that's the hat. So cute. I think this is a swaddle. I think it's a swaddle from my friend Miriam. So thank you, Miriam. I love it. So neat, so cute. It's coming. Excuse me. Sit on over there where the green cushion is. Tyler is about to open a package that he doesn't know what's in it. Wait, the box didn't open properly? Okay. is that? Take it out. Oh my gosh, it's more than one box in there. What is that?
Paw Patrol Canworks.
Paw Patrol what?
Canworks.
Okay. And what's that one?
Police Amigo.
Wow. Do you know who sent those for you?
Auntie Priscilla.
So what do you say?
Thank you, Auntie Priscilla. Papa, look at.
Wow, c'est les police pups. C'est all of the Paw Patrol.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
They all have a police.
They're all police. How cool, Ty?
Yes.
It's the first time seeing this.
Mama.
Yes.
Look at the Batman stole item money.
Whoa. Who is that? Who is that, Ty?
Rubble.
Police Rubble.
Mama.
We go.
Mama, when I do like that,
Take them out, honey.
Mama, when I do like that, and my first is my
I was sure you didn't click on.
Mama, look. The Papa Match can work. Mama,
Yes.
when I press this in match, and that.
Okay, tell me who all of them are. Show me. Who is this?
Zuma.
Okay, show me the others. Put the others beside Zuma and tell me who they are. Who is that? Speak up so I can hear you.
Guys.
That's Sky. Okay, and who else? Marshall. And who else? Rubble. And who is in your hand?
Chase.
Chase. Put Chase beside him so I can see.
No, because Chase is trying to.
And who is that?
Rocky.
Rocky. So you have all of them in police outfits.
Yes.
Oh, cool. You happy?
Yes.
Awesome. You're so cute. That's you and all the pups?
Yes.
Who are they? Tell me.
Marshall, Chase, Zuma, Sky, Wobble, and Rocky.
Oh, you love them, don't you?
Yeah.
All right. So that brings us to the end of today's vlog. However, two things: if you want to see all the things that we buy from today's vlog, stay tuned for tomorrow, because I didn't want this video to be too long and drawn out, so you guys will see that. And also everything that I cooked at the end of this video, if you guys want to see that, go ahead and check it out on Mel's Kitchen. The link will be down below the description box. I show you guys in detail how to make dumpling, how I get my dumpling to look nice and smooth and soft, and how to peel green bananas, how to cook it, how to get it looking white and pretty, and how to steam the callaloo from the tin, and how to do the tin mackerel. So all those videos will be coming in the week, and some is already published. So if you want to catch up on all those, please go ahead and join the fam over on Mel's Kitchen, and also stay tuned to see all the things that we buy from the mall. So catch up and keep up. Love you guys. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Can you tell Faves bye? Oh, tell Faves bye. Wait, tell them bye first. We're ending this vlog.
Bye.
Say bye, Faves.
Bye, Faves.
See you guys tomorrow.
Better to say hello.
Yeah, but we're gonna start a new vlog.